Hi everyone! Today we are going to see Garn. We are going to test him. So this is the new legendary orc character. We are going to test him in 3 teams, like for Mara. But before testing him, we are going to first see his abilities. So first, his basic deals 360% damage to an enemy, inflict daze for 2 turns. Simple basic. Her special deals 320% damage to all enemies, inflict bleeding and armor decrease for 2 turns. Then his ultimate deals 480% physical damage to an enemy and decrease turn meter by 50%. Inflicts stun for 1 turn if the enemy is inflicted by armor decrease and gain 50% turn meter on hit. So this works only if you land the skill. If the enemy dodge, you don't gain the turn meter. Then his passive, Garn gains 12% increased physical damage for each living orc in the party. After Garn deals damage, he gains damage increase and accuracy increase for 1 turn. So I decide to run Garn with offense and potency set and give him a potency artifact. So now let's try him. So I'm going to test against this team for the first 2 match and against another for the 3rd match. So first we are going to test this team. So Zera lead basic Zera team with Garn. Okay, so we are going to focus Ardork. Let's see the damage of this ability because it is a damage dealer. Okay, 70k on everyone, that's not bad. He did 0 crit. Let's stun Eric, no stun. Ability block, okay, nice. We are just going to continue on Ardork. Let's kill him, not enough. Okay, the taunt comes. Okay, so let's try the ultimate. Let's see the damage. We can't stun anyone because there's no armor decrease. Okay, 50k. That's pretty big. Not as big as Mara, but it is still pretty good damage, and you gain turn meter. So this is very nice. $40k AoE with offense up. This is a very huge damage. If you wonder why the damage doubles since the first AoE, it's because the first AoE, his passive didn't proc, so he didn't have the offense up. So that's why, and he was offense down. So that's why we hit that hard. Okay, we are changing the program. I have another team. So this, the plan was to try the second orc team, but because there is no Eric, I will try the 3rd team, so the bleed team, right now. So something I forget to tell you before launching is I try to do the budget bleed team. So Revol is important in the team because he's the main damage dealer. But I took Snorri and Archienro because you are not going to use them anywhere else. Garn of course because this is his testing. And Hilda because you don't use her much. So, and I need a tank. So I start with basic here, I don't do the second skill. Because the bleed don't last enough time. So I will not taunt because I'm buff immunity. Okay, let's put his AoE first. He's dead, but that's not a problem. Let's put more bleed. And now the AoE. Boom. So Garn is a really good addition to this team because Revel deals so much more damage with the Garn skill too. So really good team for me, this one. Okay, so we have a third team. So we are going to try against this one. And I will put this team. So this is another orc team, but with with bad orcs. Except Zalanar, who is not that bad, but the other are not great. So remind yourself that we have skill 7 and 8. So this team is normally not that great. I will do up the shield. And let's see how much damage we do turn 1. Okay, so 30k on crits, that's really good. I will Daze Atom. I don't have choice, but even if I was the choice, I will do it on Atom. So once again, thanks to Garn's debuff, the Zalanar AoE was very deadly, and the Core Cream too. So Garn, in my opinion, is a very good damage dealer, but most important, he helps all your team to do massive damage. So this is, in my opinion, a really good character. So to conclude the video, Garn is, in my opinion, a really good character. You can plug him in a lot of teams. You can, as you can see, the last team he was in a Goblin team. So a very good character, very good in Bleed team, very good with orcs, decent with all the other race. So a really good character. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment on the video, and we are going to see tomorrow for the Battleground stream. Bye guys.